It's heavy! Hi guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing a baby doll. So guys, I'm editing the video right now and I want to make a few important comments. First of all, I just found out that these are called Reborn dolls, and I know there's a community out there that actually collects and reviews Reborn dolls. So I apologize if, throughout my video you guys get like super cringed or like offended of the things I'm doing to the doll, like taking off the clothes, putting on the clothes, like stuff like that. So I am so sorry. This is like literally like this is my first time opening like a Reborn doll. Like I never opened anything like this in my life. Like this is my genuine reaction. Here's the box. I already opened it. I didn't take a peek inside, I promise. It's so heavy. Feels like there's an actual baby inside. So there's tissue paper. And then here's the stuff. I don't know what this is. It feels like it's closed. Oh my god. It's a onesie, guys. And it has blue clouds on it. That's really cute. It's like a real baby or something. Like this is actual like baby clothes. Okay, that's that. And there's a picture of the doll. Is this the doll? This is the picture of the doll, I guess. They had a like mini photo shoot. Yo, that's crazy. I'm sorry I'm not serious, but this is actually insane, guys. Hand sculpted! Yo, this must have took a long time. And then it has diapers too, like. Wow, this does smell like actual like Pampers, like diapers and Huggies and all that. No, it doesn't. Fun fact, I really love babies and like kids, and I want to work with babies when I grow up. Well, I am a grown adult, but like after I'm finished college, like I want to work in a hospital and work with the little kids and babies. So that's my goal. And then there's also what is this called? It reminds me of a Raggedy Ann doll, but it's not really like. It's similar. Okay. And then is this the doll? Is this what you look like? Oh my god, I opened this envelope and look. This really is the doll, like you got a dimple and everything. And this is the birth certificate, I guess. His name April. Oh, so it's a girl, so her name is April. Oh my god, I think this is the doll, unless there's... Oh, wait. Oh, there's something in here. It's like a binky. Oh my god, this is the grand reveal, guys. Yeah, she's in here. I gotta be gentle because it's not mine, and I think it's over $100, so let me prepare myself. It's heavy! She's heavy, I should just call it. Is this the head or is this the feet? What am I holding? Okay, hold up. I want you guys to see this. This is our reaction together. Hi, sweetie. Yo, this girl got real hair. Oh my gosh. She's smiling!
That's so, what the?
Oh my god, oh my god! Okay, let's see my dog's reaction. Peachy, come here! Look at that little baby! It's your little baby! It's your baby sister! April! April. Smell her. She's smiling at you. She loves you. She's like a real baby. You can brush her hair and everything.
That's what I think.
Okay, so my boyfriend's mom wants me to dress her up in
The blue one.
in the little thing, so I'll be back. I'll show you guys. So right now I'm going to be changing the baby. Let's see if I'm gonna do a good attempt on this. So, shh. Just kidding, she's smiling. She likes me. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to change the baby. I hope I do a good job. But she's in a little blankie, and I have to untie the blankie. Okay, this is gonna take me like ages to unknot because I have nails. But I'm being gentle. Okay. Right now the baby's chilling. She's smiling. She's probably dreaming about something. I'm almost there, guys. Okay. We got it. Oh my god. Oh, hello little baby. Oh, she got nails too. Look at her nails. They're like real.
Wait, move her arm and see if it goes back to where it is. Oh.
Okay. Oh my god, the hair feels so real. I know. Wow, this is like a challenge. I mean, because it's not real and I have to be fragile. It's like over. Probably. How much was this? I'm wondering how much this was.
I don't know.
You don't know
I
either?
actually don't know.
Okay. Grab his Should I put that on the diaper? It already has a diaper. So I'm just gonna change her clothes just into this because this is really fashionable. As you can see, it has little clouds on it. Are you ready, April? Okay, so apparently I don't know how to put the baby clothes on. I'm not sure. You guys can comment down below. You might hate me, be like, that's not how you put on the baby clothes or whatever. This is my first time. I apologize if I'm doing this wrong. I'm gonna go from the legs to the head. Whew, this is gonna take me a while. Please do comment if I'm doing something wrong. My boyfriend said to do from the legs up, so I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Plus I have nails, so I don't know. This is really cringy, but I know when you have a baby, you're supposed to do this. Gotta support its neck because their neck is weak. Okay, I'm just gonna cut the video. And I swear, like, when I cut the video, I'm gonna be gentle throughout the whole process of putting on her clothes, okay? I promise.
3 hours later.
Already dressed her. She's in her little nightgown, I'm guessing. So I'm gonna put on her binky now. It's pink. So cute. Here you go. Oh, it actually fits in her mouth. Aww. So I guess that's it for the video, and I have to clean up and give it back to my boyfriend's mom. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Be sure to watch my future videos, and I doubt it because I barely make videos.
Stop!
Say bye, April. She's not talking because she's dreaming about something. So you can see she's smiling because I took good care of her the past 30 minutes.